Right, hi guys. Right, it's now July and I am here to show you this year's kitchen garden. Since last year I actually planted some fruit bushes and fruit plants, but this year I've actually bought a load of crops. Right, so what we've got here is there's where are we? Oh yeah. So the tall lettuce, they are the cost lettuce, but when I bought them, the label just said cost lettuce, so I haven't got a clue what breed it is, but only know it's cost lettuce. And then right next to it there is some lettuce Lola Rossa, and that is the baby leaf lettuce, loose leaf, and as you can see it's red. And plus in between them there's actually another kind of cost lettuce which is known as the baby gem or little gem lettuce, and plus there's a pot with 2 Lola Rossas and 2 cost lettuce for my rabbits and guinea pigs, and there's also a pot of baby gem for them too, and this is our pot of baby gem. So, and also we've also got baby carrots. These are something like a Royal Trantinicored 2, I think, and they'll be ready about, I would say, around September, and the lettuce will be ready around in a few weeks, probably around mid-August. So, and also in this planting pocket I've got a basil, and in this one's parsley, cold parsley, and there's also a big pot of basil in there. So right, I'll show you all of the rest. Yeah, and this here is a pear tree. It's a pear tree green harvest, and I bought this a few months back. It's around May time, I think I bought it. Even though for some reason it has flowered and it looks like that it has got a little fruit coming on it, but yeah, but I'm in the UK, right, and pears don't really ripen too well in this country, so I don't think anything will come of that because it's so late in the season. So you know, so there's so here's a wild cherry sapling which I dug up this year. This is a apple tree, even though it looks like that's got a lot of powdery mildew, and powdery mildew is through dry conditions mainly. So we need to try and make sure that gets a bit more water. And here is a gooseberry bush which we've had about 2 years. So, and underplanted with that, I don't know if you can see there, the purple sage, and down there the creeping thyme. And this is cordon tomato, but I don't know what kind it is. It might be cherry or normal sized tomato, I'm not really too sure. Since I actually got this one off a Facebook group, and she just got it from a mixed pack of seeds, so she actually didn't know what variety it is. And there's 5 cayenne trellis, so that's underplanted with the tomato, and yeah, and there's also one which has got buds. So and And here we've got a Mirello cherry seedling, which is from this year, which is now a sapling. We've got a wild cherry in here, a wild cherry, and this is a new breed of French lavender, which is actually a herb. It's a new breed of French lavender. It's got kind of blue flowers, and it's got white. Yeah, I think I call them feathers on top. So, and also this plant that's down there, that's a house plant, but we've got one in the house, which is the one I get for myself, but that is called a dumb cane, and it's a house plant. I've got that from my mate Lucas. It's since he's in two plants like I am, so. And the other herbs, so here we've got caraway, and here we've got bronze fennel, which is starting to produce flower heads. Some creeping thyme, which is in flower, and here we've got tarragon, and that's a golden variegated common sage with some marjoram and the curl parsley in that container. And then the other herbs, we've got a pot of basil, another pot of basil, coriander, curl parsley, and then in the ceramic pots we've got a flat leaf parsley, basil, chives, and oh yeah, we've got a lemon tree seedling, which will be going indoors through winter, and also in the front room we have got a really big lemon tree, and also we've got a kumquat. Oh, and this is a blackberry cutting that I've rooted, so hopefully that will crop probably next year. Oh yeah, and plus the garden looks a mess because we're in the middle of sorting it. Yeah, we are rearranging the whole garden, so sorry about the mess. Oh, and this is the celery. So the celery will be ready probably winter, I don't know, I've never grown it before. So aubergine, and the aubergine outdoors in the UK is a gamble. So they're made a greenhouse crop, but I'm trying my luck with that one, and it's got a bud on it. So we've got a dwarf sweet pepper, which turns from green straight to red, since that's one that doesn't go yellow. And we've got another trilly in there. So, and here we've got a big wild cherry, and the Canary Island date palm, and another Canary Island date palm there. And in the UK they don't really produce fruit, but I'm going to try my luck like I'm with the aubergine. Might be waiting many years though. And this is the mint, which we've had probably about 2-3 years from a single stem, and each year that just gets bigger. And we've got an apple tree Elska, that's a new plant this year. And this is a fruit tree, but I'm not sure what it is. It's just a mystery plant, that. And we've got a load of parsley in the plant with the mystery fruit tree. Another baby gem lettuce. 2 types of bush tomato. And this is an unusual herb, the Mexican orange hyssop. And this is a cucumber, even though that's an outdoor cucumber though, this one. So and that's producing buds, so soon it will produce a crop. And here we've got wild strawberries, 2 types, single flowered and double flowered. And up there we've got garden strawberries, and we've got some stonehead cabbage as well, so they'll be ready very soon. And the new plant I picked up is this here, which was a white currant. I've never even heard of them before. So yeah, but I picked it up anyway, see what comes of it. And this little plant is a kiwi. It's a kiwi I've never heard of. It's to produce tiny fruit, but edible fruit. So I can't wait to see how that goes. And right here, this is a fig. And this did produce little fruit this year, but before they matured, they sort of fell off. The reason why they fell off is because, of course, there were water shortages, and I didn't realise. But as you can see, it is actually producing the later crop of fruit. That's what the little buds on the leaf at. So I'm looking forward to start picking them. And these are our potatoes. And I think the potatoes will be ready probably around end of August. So yeah. And in here we've got a currant, which is this one, which hasn't produced any fruit this year, but it's only a very young plant. That's a red currant, and at the side of it there's another one, as you can see, has got fruit, and that's a red currant. And also we've got this currant, which did produce fruit, but I think the birds have had them, and I'm still not sure what kind it is. And here we've got a blueberry, which I'm hoping will crop next year. That's blueberry. And this is another blueberry. And this one is the loganberry. Right, my phone's running out of recording time, so see you later. Thank you.